Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we're going to start off with our first recipe for our Super Bowl menu. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot: Korean fried chicken with crispy baked potato wedges. Let's get to it. Well, let's get to making the Korean fried chicken. We're going to do the first part. The first part is the marinade. And these are the ingredients we will be using for the marinade: salt and pepper, buttermilk, garlic powder, and ground ginger. And of course, the chicken. I have here chicken wings and chicken drumsticks. I added the chicken to this bowl, and now we're going to put the buttermilk in, some salt and black pepper, the garlic powder, and the ginger powder. We're going to mix this up. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about an hour. These are the ingredients we're going to be using to make the sauce. The first thing is gochujang, also known as Korean red pepper paste. In here, I have ginger and garlic, brown sugar, honey, ketchup, rice vinegar, low sodium soy sauce, and red pepper flakes. I have a saucepan here, and the first thing I'm going to do is grate the fresh ginger into it. And then I'm going to grate the garlic. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we're going to turn it on medium low, and we're going to add the brown sugar, the honey, the rice vinegar, the soy sauce, the ketchup, and the Korean red pepper paste. Stir everything up and let it simmer on low for about 10 minutes. Now that the sauce has been simmering a few minutes, we're going to add the red pepper flakes. And we add some oil to the pot. We stir everything up. Then we cover it up and let it continue to simmer. Well, let's check the sauce and see if it's ready to set it to the side. Yes, it's ready. Now we're going to cover this up, set it to the side, and come back and make fried chicken. Now I have a pan here, and I'm going to turn it to medium low and let the oil heat up. We're going to put oil in it and fill it with oil. Now we're going to mix cornstarch and flour together. The seasoning for the flour and the cornstarch is ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt. You're going to mix this up. Now, once the oil gets hot, we're going to add the chicken. While the oil is getting hot, we are going to make the crispy baked potato wedges. I already peeled and cut the potatoes up. I have in here salt, black pepper, garlic powder we're going to add, and paprika. And some olive oil. We're going to mix all of this up together. I have my oven set to 385 degrees. I have a baking sheet pan here lined in parchment paper. And we're going to put the potato wedges on them. You don't want them too close, so use a big enough sheet pan or use less potatoes. If you don't have a larger sheet pan, you just put less potatoes in whatever sheet pan size you have. See? Now that the oil is hot enough, we're going to make the chicken. Shake it off. Put it in this bowl. Now you must take and make sure you compress the flour onto the chicken. Use your hands to do this. Press it tightly on it. Okay, we'll let those fry. Now it's time to flip the chicken over. Now we're going to let them cook on that side. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I took out the first batch. This is the second batch I've just added in. Now I'm going to take some of the chicken, put it in this bowl here, and add some sauce to it. Then we're going to stir it all up. Hear the crunch of the chicken. This is what you add to the Korean fried chicken. Sesame seeds. This is optional if you don't like sesame seeds. And chopped scallions. There you have it. Korean fried chicken with crispy baked potato wedges. Enjoy. I hope you'll add this to your Super Bowl menu. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.